This one is problem 1.32. In this, there's a record player and there's a needle that is sitting on this record player, and we need to figure out the forces acting on the needle tip. And this process, there is a 0.2 Newton weight that is placed directly above the needle tip. So if I put a coordinate system here, this is your x-axis, this one is your y-axis, and this right here is your z-axis, and this is again your x-axis. Now in the needle tip, there are these two contact points here. So if we say that there will be this normal contact coming here, and if this force is F1 and F2, due to symmetry we can see that this force F1 and F2 will be equal to 0. Otherwise we can do the free body diagram and the x component will cancel each other. From that we can find out this F1 is equals to F2. Now this angle right here is going to be 45 degree because the total angle is 90. Now the weight that is placed on top, that will be acting downwards here, and which is 0.02 newtons. Now considering the friction force on this needle tip, now if the rotation is going this way, that means the disc is rotating at this point, so that the disc motion is in this direction. So the needle is going to be going backwards. Now friction always opposes the motion of the object. In this case, needle is going down. That's why the friction is going to be upwards. So I can mark this force as F times F1 in this way, and on this side again your F times F2. So F1 is here and F2 is here. So on both sides there will be this friction force coming. Now if I do the force balance for this needle tip here from the equilibrium perspective, so force balance in the y direction, because x direction we are expecting only F1 equals to F2. So in this case F1 plus F2 divided by square root 2, because of that cos 45. This need to balance your 0.02 Newton force. And from the x we are expecting F1 equals to F2. So if I solve the value of F1 and F2 in this case, this will come out as 0.0141 newtons. So this is the normal force at the needle tip, and the total friction force in this case is going to be friction force going to be F times F1 plus F2, and since coefficient of friction is 0.2, this total force comes out to be 0.0028 newtons.